Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the newly launched true wireless earphones from Noise, and they are the Noise Buds Play. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how the performance is. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the model name Buds Play and the picture of the earbuds, and they are the true wireless earphones. And here we can see that they are designed in India. At the back we have some key features such as environmental noise cancellation, in-ear detection, Google Fast Pairing, 24 hours of playback time. You get the quad mic in these earbuds and they come with the one key reset. The MRP on the box is Rs 7,999. However, the launch price of these earbuds is only Rs 2,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first on the top we have the charging case itself, and you get the earbuds inside the case. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the welcome card, and here is the warranty information. And then you get the quick start guide and the user manual, which has the info about different touch controls. And then in the box you get the Type-C charging cable and 2 pairs of extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Starting with the charging case. So guys, here we have the Celeste blue color, and apart from that, it's available in pearl white and black color. Now talking about the design, the charging case feels well built and it also looks stylish. It's lightweight and weighs only 46 grams, and the size is also compact. Now talking about the battery, it comes with the 450 mAh battery capacity, and with this, you can charge the earbuds up to 4 more times, giving you total battery backup of 25 hours. In terms of the overview of the case, you get the Noise logo in the front, and at the back we have the reset button by which you can pair them again with any other device. And here at the bottom, we have the Type-C charging port. Now talking about the door, the quality of the door is really good and you get a very good feel when you open the door. And also, you can open the door easily with one hand. One more thing, that these earphones comes with a quick pairing, which means as soon as you open the door of the case, they will connect with the last pair device. Now looking at the earbuds, you get the in-ear style earbuds. And the quality of these earbuds looks very good, and I really like the glossy finish on the earbuds. They are also lightweight, and the weight of the each earbud is only 4.5 grams. You get the touch controls in these earbuds, and also the USP of these earbuds, which is the in-ear detection, which will pause the music or video as soon as you take them out of your ear. Now in terms of the other details, you get 5 hours of battery backup in one single charge, and they come with the Bluetooth 5.0 support, and the driver size is 10mm. Overall, I like the design and the build quality of both the earbuds and the charging case. And keeping in mind the price, I find the quality very good. Now let's pair the earphones with our phone. So as mentioned on the box, the earbuds offer Google Fast Pairing. And in this, as soon as you go to the Bluetooth section of your phone, you get this connect window which allows you to pair these earbuds with your Google ID. Now you can use these earbuds with any other device in which you are signed in with the same Google ID. And I find this feature very good. And also in the device info, you can see the battery percentage of the case and the each earbud, which is also an advantage. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the performance. Starting with the comfort. The earbuds comes with a medium size tip installed, but I changed them to the large size ear tip. And due to that, I was able to get snug fit, and I find the passive noise cancellation very good. So about the comfort, they are very comfortable to use even for long hours. Now about the audio quality, the earbuds offers good sound output, you get good clarity, and they're also pretty loud, yet you will not feel any sound distortions. The vocals are clear and the instrument separation is also very good. And about the bass, you get good bass from these earbuds. And guys, I have noticed that after switching to the correct size ear tip, I was able to get better bass from these earbuds. So in terms of the sound, I'm really happy with the performance of these earbuds. Now talking about the touch controls, the touch is also very responsive in these earbuds, and a single tap on the right earbud allows you to increase the volume, and a single tap on the left earbud decreases the volume. Double tap on either of the earbuds allows you to pause and play the music, and also the in-ear detection also performs very good. And with this, the music immediately pauses when you take any of the earbud out of your ear. Now coming back to the controls, long press on the right earbud take you to the next soundtrack, and the long press on the left earbud takes you back to the previous soundtrack. Triple tap on any of the earbuds will call Google Assistant or Siri. And lastly about the mic quality, you get quad mic setup in these earbuds, And guys, about the call quality, I'm really happy with the mic performance. And overall the mic performance is very good for both video and voice calls. So overall the Noise Buds Play True Wireless Earphones offers good sound quality. The design and the build quality of the earbuds is also very good. And features like Google Fast Pairing and the in-ear detection makes them value for money, especially at the launch price, which is just Rs 2,999. And yes, I find the sound quality very good and the bass is also decent. So if you're in the market for a good quality in-ear style earbuds under Rs 3,000, then you can definitely check out the Noise Buds Play. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Noise Buds Play True Wireless Earphones. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any questions or queries about these earbuds, then let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.